Eye problems in children. Children are prone to eye problems very frequently. There are different types of problems which they encounter, like vision problems. This could be either nearsightedness, farsightedness, or astigmatism. They are more prone to vision problems because of the food habits nowadays and computers, TV watching and video games. They tend to cause eye strain and can affect their vision. So it is very necessary to take care of the eyes of the children, otherwise in the long term they would be left with vision defects. Secondly, they are more prone to injuries to the eye while they are playing on and off in the playgrounds. So it is very important that that should also be taken care of. Thirdly, eye infections are also common in children because they are constantly rubbing their eyes with their fingers and hands, and that also should be treated on an emergency basis, or it should be treated as soon as possible. So firstly, I will talk about the vision problems in children. Nowadays children have myopia or nearsightedness, also hypermetropia or farsightedness, and astigmatism. These vision defects are related to the bad vision habits which they have, like they are constantly watching television or they are constantly playing on the computer games and video games. So this should be minimized in children who have weak eyesight. Secondly, if you notice that the child is either squeezing the eye or going very close to the television or reading from very close, then the child should be immediately taken to the eye doctor for an eye examination, because very likely he could be having glasses. Secondly, it is very important to get an eye checkup done, because many children, even if they have number or glasses, it could be missed and it is detected very late, as a result of which they develop lazy eye. If the child has lazy eye, then it needs to be treated again as soon as it is detected. Secondly, if there is any kind of injury to the eye in a child, it should be attended to by the eye doctor as soon as possible. This will help any further damage to the eye and prevent serious problems related to the retina or the cornea. In India, there is a lot of problem related to injuries to the eye because of the playing with cricket ball or bow and arrow injuries in the rural areas. So it needs to be taken care of immediately. The problem of wandering eye is also very common. Wandering eye is again called as a squint, where the eye wanders away from its normal position and the child develops a squint. This needs to be treated either by glasses, exercises, or by an eye surgery called squint surgery. Glasses can correct the squint if it is detected at an early age and it is of a particular type called accommodative squint. If there is a wandering eye, then, and if there is a lazy eye along with it, then it needs to be treated with a special device called occlusion eye pad, wherein the eye is covered with an occluder so as to prevent laziness of the eye. The earlier it is done, the better it is. Basically, the surgery involves tightening the weak muscle and loosening the strong muscle. So it is detected by the eye surgeon which muscle is strong and which muscle is the weak one. On a video I will show you how we detect the squint and what the squint involves. Here you can see that both the eyes are at fixing at one point, and here the eye is gone inwards. Same way the eye can go out also. It needs to be aligned properly so that both eyes are at one point.